Hello, Wayside parents and families. We just wanted to put together a quick video for y'all to kind of give you a heads up on our upcoming open house this Tuesday, August 25th. It'll be from 6 to 7:30. It will be on Teams meetings. We will have links for you all in your students' Canvas page for you to be able to click on. We will go over directions on that later, but we just wanted to make sure you guys mark it down on your calendars so that teachers have an opportunity to talk to you about course content and things that'll be happening in their classes this year. I just want to take a quick opportunity to introduce myself to you all. My name is John Fahey. I am the principal here at Wayside Middle School. It is my second year here at Wayside. Prior to Wayside, I was at Boswell High School for the previous 6 years. I can tell you that I'm excited about this current school year. Last year was a great year, and I'm looking forward to even a better year this year and the things to come.
Hello, I'm Andrea Lasher, and I'm an assistant principal here at Wayside with students last name M through Z. This is my 4th year as an assistant principal at Wayside, and I can't wait to meet all my new Wildcats and see the faces of my returning ones.
Hello, Wayside. My name is Miss Livingston, and I'm the new assistant principal for last names A through L. I was a teacher at Boswell for 6 years before coming over here to Wayside, and I'm excited to learn about middle school and be with you guys as you are starting your new school year. August 25th from 6 to 7:30, our teacher's going to be available for open house. This open house is going to be a little different than it usually is in the sense that it is virtual, but we wanted to give families an opportunity to get to meet the teachers and have conversations and get to know and ask questions about the class. So the way that you'll access our virtual open house is through your student's Canvas page. And that means you'll either need to grab your student or have their Canvas login. Inside of Canvas, each teacher has their class page, and on that class page they should have an announcement posted that has the link to the Teams meeting where you can jump in and speak to them. It's a come and go process, so you do not have to follow your student's bell schedule. You can just go into whichever teachers you'd like to meet, click their Teams link in the announcement as on this example slide, and then go right in and talk to them. If you are unable to make it to open house with us, there's still a way to get in contact with your students' teachers, or in the future, if you just have questions for the teachers and aren't sure what their email address is and would like to find it, that is available on our website for Wayside Middle School. And so on our website, there is a tab for staff, and it'll take you to a page that looks like the picture on the screen, where you can search the teacher's last name and it'll pull up their profile, including their email address that you can contact them on.
We hope you enjoyed this short presentation. We look forward to seeing you all next Tuesday night. And as always, remember, it's a great day to be a Wildcat.